In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate reference images in Leonardo AI Desktop. When you're creating reference images, the goal is consistency and clarity. You want clean visuals that are easy to crop, study, and reuse later. A good way to improve your results is by being very intentional with your prompt wording. Include angle triggers such as multiple angles, front view, side view, back view, turnaround sheet, or split screen view. These phrases help Leonardo understand that you want several perspectives of the same subject instead of just one dramatic composition. It also helps to isolate the subject clearly in the prompt. Add wording like isolated on a solid flat light gray background or white background. This keeps the image simple and makes future cropping much easier, especially if you plan to use the result as a design reference. Lighting matters too. Ask for uniform studio lighting or neutral lighting so the subject appears evenly lit. This helps avoid harsh shadows and dramatic contrast, which can make different angles feel inconsistent. Once you're ready, open image generation in Leonardo AI Desktop and choose a high-fidelity model, such as Leonardo Phoenix or Kino XL. These models are a strong choice when you need cleaner detail and a more reliable reference-style output. Next, set your aspect ratio to a widescreen format like 16:9 or 21:9. The extra horizontal space gives the AI more room to place multiple views side by side, which is especially useful for turnaround style images. After that, turn off prompt magic or auto refine. Those features can sometimes introduce extra background details or stylistic changes that make reference images less clean and predictable. Now enter your descriptive prompt, making sure it includes the isolation phrases and angle triggers we covered, and then click Generate. Once the image is ready, download it and open it in a photo editor. From there, crop out the exact angle you want to keep as your final reference guide. This gives you a clean, usable image